Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to easily create a rolled hem with the Brother 1034D Serger. This hem is typically used for your lighter and medium weight fabrics, including cotton, organza, satin, and chiffon. It is often found on home goods, garments, and more. Today we'll be using satin and cotton. For this hem, you will only be using the upper looper, lower looper, and right needle, along with the rolled hem foot. Once your tension dials are set and your serger is threaded, begin by putting the thread tail towards the back of the serger and line your fabric up under the needle. As you can see, the threads and the needles are working together to create a nice rolled hem, leaving you with less work. The upper and lower knives allow you to have a nice clean-cut edge along the hem. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.